guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we are back with another Luvme Hair wig install. Now if you don't know about Luvme Hair, they actually produce game changer on effortless wig installations. All of their wigs come ready to go with uncompromising quality, and not to mention they are at a really good price. Switching it up is everything, and one thing that Luvme Hair makes sure to do is to give you a nice selection when it comes to their glueless ready to go wigs. So as you can see, the one that I have on today is like this Peakaboo brown ombre loose water wave wig. It is a 5x5 lace closure. Now me personally, I would probably prefer this texture in just a middle part, but I am going to show you guys that you can actually do a side part and also a C part as well, just in case if you're wondering. Other than that though, the wig actually does come straight out the box ready to go. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump on into this quick wig tutorial. Okay ladies, let's go ahead and jump right on into the unboxing. So as always, Luvme Hair sends you so many goodies along with the wig unit in itself. Now this particular wig is called Classic and Chic Peakaboo Ombre Brown Loose Water Wave Glueless 5x5 lace closure wig, and I'll have all the information listed in the description box down below. But take a look at that lace, you guys. That lace is super clear. Hello, so we don't have to do no bleaching or anything like that. And of course, I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of the inside of the wig also, because she definitely has some nice features for all of my beginners out there. That way you don't have to use any spray nor any glue. So the wig does come with 4 different combs, and you also have the adjustable elastic band. Take a look at that lace, super see-through as I mentioned before, but it is also a 5x5 lace closure, which means you have plenty of lace room to work with. So the first thing that you want to do is add some makeup onto your lace. Even though that lace is super clear, you really want to make sure that it melts in with your natural skin color, because at the end of the day, lace is a texture. Next, you're going to go ahead and adjust that adjustable strap to your preference and go ahead and throw the wig on. Now me personally, whenever I am doing a no spray, no glue wig install, I like to use the combs inside of the wig unit to help the lace lay flat. That is the only way to make sure your lace is looking melted without having to use any product. After that, I am going to use my wax stick and my hot comb just to ensure there is no hair in my face while I cut off that additional lace. But I will just let you guys know that this wig install is going to be super quick and easy, because I know you guys see how defined those curls are. So we kind of had a really good head start to this wig unit in itself, especially when it comes to styling. Alright, so all of that additional lace is off. Look how the lace just melted right into my skin. All I did was cut right in front of the hairline, so we did leave just a little bit of lace there. So wherever there is lace, I'm just dabbing a little bit more foundation right on it just to make sure everything is nice and blended. And then I will be going in with a lighter foundation in the part area. That way it can really mimic scalp. So now that the install is technically completed, we are now going to move forward with the styling. Now, as I told you guys before, these curls came super defined and I did not want to ruin that. I didn't see the point of fully combing it out just to redo them. So yeah, all I did was actually separate the curls piece by piece because they were all clean together. And I think we can all agree that the fluffed out side looks so much better. We do not want stringy curls. So the first thing that I did was kind of just run through the hair with my wax stick, because y'all know me, I hate flyaways. I feel like it makes the hair look messy, which we do not want. So I just went section by section and just separated the curls. Now, if you are afraid of too much like poofiness or frizz because we are doing this, then just go ahead and add some oil on your hands. But I was gentle enough to where the frizz that was caused just added to the density of the unit, which is what I wanted. But overall, I really feel like the whole entire process of installing and styling this wig was super easy, definitely beginner friendly. Also, I love the fact that I took it straight out the box and I didn't really have too much to do, especially when it comes to making your lace look extremely natural. We all know that that is very important. And I will say that the curl pattern is really pretty, and I also love the brown ombre as well. The quality of the hair was pretty good also. I didn't have too much excessive shedding or tangling or anything like that. All right, you guys, guess what? We are officially finished. Now, this is how the hair looks with the middle part. Of course, she is looking great with the middle part. And I really love how bouncy this hair was as well. Like, I feel like the hair just makes a statement. Like, if you was to walk in the room with your hair flowing like this, everybody's gonna turn around and look at you. And she was just super, super, super pretty. But I'm also gonna show you guys what it looks like with side parting as well. Now, I know I said I really prefer the middle part, but the side part was low-key given, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, the volume of it with the brown ombre just looked really good all together. And yeah, I definitely think I prefer like the C part though. The C part was really, really, really given, and which is crazy. I definitely ate my words when it comes to the middle part, but overall I definitely think that this was a great unit. It was an A+, especially being that this lace is super natural and glueless. Okay, you guys, that is all for today's tutorial. Let me know how you like this wig unit. One thing that I really like about this wig is the fact that it actually comes straight out the box ready to go. I really didn't have to do too much to it, as you guys saw. So if you are in a rush and you really just need like a quick 5 to 10 minutes wig install, I feel like this is the perfect wig. Also, whenever you're ready to take it off, you can literally take it off in the style that it's in, put it on your mannequin head, and then the following day you can just throw it right back on and you have nothing to do. Make sure you guys check out my description box down below. I'll have all the information listed there for you to check out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Bye.